Is your Pentair GloBrite dead again? Here is the OEM light just received from my clients. Now, look closely inside. See that rust on the screws? Water got past the factory seal. Once it leaks, it's game over. Stop paying $400+ for a flawed design. Meet the ultimate solution. This is our upgraded compatible replacement. Unlike the hollow original, our light is completely resin-filled. That means no air inside and absolutely zero chance for water to leak in. It's built like a tank. And the results? Absolutely stunning. Experience vibrant, synchronized RGB colors that bring your pool to life at night. It is brighter than the original, lasts longer and costs way less.